Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 21st September which is celebrated as International Day of Peace of Non-Violence and Ceasefire. Welcome everyone to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall look at some of the memorable events happened on 21st September in history of India and the world which all of us must know, and we shall look at those events in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Spectacular achievement is always preceded by unspectacular preparation. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India who surrendered before the British on this day in 1857? Answer: Bahadur Shah Jafar. He is also known as Bahadur Shah II. Question number 2. Which actress and singer born on this day in 1926 was awarded with honorific title Mallika-e-Tarannum in Pakistan, whose notable films are Jinnat, Anmol Ghadi, Jugnu, Anarkali? Answer: Noor Jahan. Question number 3. Which Indian social activist born on this day in 1939 was founder of Arya Sabha and is known for his work against bonded labor? Answer: Swami Agnivesh. Question number 4. Maharaja Buddhachandra signed a merger agreement on this day in 1949 to unite which princely state with the Union of India? Answer: Manipur. Question number 5. Which Indian actor known as Badman of Bollywood born on this day in 1955 who made successful transition from Bollywood to Hollywood and acted in films Warrior Savitri and The Devil's Daughter? Answer: Gulshan Grover. Question number 6. Which Indian squash player born on this day in 1991 is the first Indian to break into the top 10 in PSA women's rankings? Answer: Deepika Pallikal. Here PSA means Professional Squash Association. Question number 7. Which Indian film actress born as Shubhamitra Sen on this day in 1981 debuted in Bengali film Damu and got Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut in Hindi film Hangama? Answer: Rimi Sen. Question number 8. Which weekly educational classroom magazine designed for children was published first time on this day in 1928 in United States? Answer: My Weekly Reader. Question number 9. Which American four-engined propeller driven fighter aircraft took its first flight on this day in 1942? Answer: B-29. Which participated in World War II and Korean War? Question number 10. Which earthquake in central Taiwan killed 2400 people on this day in 1999? Answer: Chi Chi. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then appreciate it by giving a like and share it among your friends so that they can be benefited by the facts and informations provided in the video. Thank you.